Thanksgiving night magic. Imagine the heart of Chicago on Thanksgiving night. The air is crisp with a gentle autumn chill. A golden glow spills onto the bustling streets. The aroma of cinnamon, roasted nuts, and something truly delicious wafts through the air. This isn't your typical Thanksgiving dinner scene. This is Chicago's night market, and it's bursting with life. Families and friends gather, their laughter mixing with the joyful melodies of street musicians. The market is a kaleidoscope of colors with twinkling lights strung across the stalls. The aroma of 100 different dishes fills the air, each more enticing than the last. It's a sensory feast, a celebration of community, and a Thanksgiving tradition unlike any other. A feast for the senses. As you stroll through the market, the sights and sounds of the city come alive. The aroma of roasted chestnuts mingles with the sweet scent of fresh donuts. Artisans proudly display their crafts, from hand-knitted scarves to intricate jewelry. Children's eyes light up at the sight of twinkling ornaments and handmade toys. But there's one aroma that draws you in, a scent so tantalizing it's impossible to resist. It's the smell of perfectly roasted turkey, seasoned to perfection and cooked to a crispy golden brown. This is no ordinary turkey. This is the tasty crispy turkey, a Chicago night market legend. A city of stalls. Picture this. Rows upon rows of brightly colored stalls, each one a tiny shopfront overflowing with treasures. The night market in Chicago is a bustling hub of activity, where every corner you turn reveals a new surprise. It's a place where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, and the mundane becomes magical. Some stalls are draped in twinkling fairy lights, casting a magical glow on the goodies within. The lights dance and flicker, creating an enchanting atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. It's as if the market itself is alive, breathing and pulsating with energy. Others boast hand-painted signs, each one a work of art announcing the culinary delights on offer. These signs are not just advertisements, they are expressions of creativity and passion, inviting you to taste the world in a single bite. There's a rhythm to the market, a vibrant pulse that draws you in. The air is thick with anticipation and excitement as people from all walks of life come together to share in this communal experience. The clatter of wooden spoons against woks, the sizzle of onions hitting hot oil, the gentle hum of conversation. It all blends into a symphony of city sounds. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, where every sound tells a story and every scent evokes a memory. Vendors call out, their voices warm and inviting, each one a siren tempting you to try their wares. Their enthusiasm is infectious, and you can't help but be drawn in by their charm and charisma. Wander a little further and you'll find stalls piled high with handmade gifts. These are not just items for sale, they are pieces of art, each one crafted with love and care. Intricately woven scarves in every color imaginable, each one telling a story of its own. The vibrant hues and delicate patterns are a feast for the eyes, a testament to the skill of the weavers. Chunky knit hats to ward off the evening chill, each one a cozy embrace waiting to happen. These hats are more than just accessories. They are symbols of warmth and comfort. And delicate silver jewelry that catches the light, sparkling like tiny stars. Each piece is a work of art, a testament to the skill and passion of the artisan who crafted it. Each piece tells a story, a testament to the skill and passion of the artisan who crafted it. These are not just items to be bought and sold. They are pieces of someone's heart and soul shared with the world. The heart of the market. But the true heart of the market lies in its people. Families and friends huddle together, their faces illuminated by the soft glow of the market lights. Couples stroll hand in hand, stopping every few steps to admire the craftsmanship or sample a tasty treat. There's a sense of community here, a shared love for good food, good company, and the magic of the season. Strangers strike up conversations over steaming cups of hot chocolate, their laughter echoing through the night. Children weave through the crowds, their eyes wide with wonder at the sights and sounds around them. And amidst all the hustle and bustle, you'll find the vendors, the heart and soul of this vibrant marketplace. Their faces are etched with stories, their hands moving with practiced ease as they craft their culinary masterpieces. The Thanksgiving spirit is alive and well at the Chicago night market. It's a time for families to come together, to celebrate their blessings, and to create new memories against the backdrop of this magical setting. There's a warmth in the air, a sense of gratitude that permeates every corner of the market. It's in the smiles of the vendors, the laughter of the children, and the clinking of glasses as friends and families raise a toast to the season. And as the aroma of that irresistible, tasty, crispy turkey continues to waft through the air, it serves as a delicious reminder of the true meaning of Thanksgiving. A time for togetherness, for sharing, and for indulging in the simple pleasures of life. The tasty, crispy turkey isn't just another dish at the Chicago night market. It's a legend whispered on the chilly night air. Some say the recipe has been passed down through generations, a closely guarded secret held by one particular family. Others claim it's a recent invention, a stroke of culinary genius from a young chef with a passion for tradition. Whatever its true origins, the tasty, crispy turkey has become synonymous with the market itself. It's a dish that embodies the spirit of Thanksgiving, a celebration of flavor and tradition that brings people together. The aroma alone is enough to draw you in, a tantalizing blend of herbs and spices that speaks of warmth, comfort, and good cheer. But what is it about this particular turkey that makes it so special? Perhaps it's the way it's cooked, slowly roasted over an open fire, the skin turning a deep golden brown as the juices sizzle and pop. Or maybe it's the secret blend of herbs and spices, a recipe passed down through generations that infuses the meat with its unique flavor. Whatever the reason, one bite of this turkey is enough to transport you to a place of pure culinary bliss. The meat is incredibly tender, practically melting in your mouth, while the skin crackles with a satisfying crunch. The flavors are both familiar and surprising, a symphony of savory and sweet that dances on your tongue. The story goes that the recipe for the tasty, crispy turkey originated in a small village in Italy. A young woman named Sophia learned the art of cooking from her grandmother, a renowned chef in their community. Sophia immigrated to Chicago in the early 1900s, bringing her grandmother's recipe with her. Sophia began selling her turkey at local markets, quickly gaining a reputation for her culinary skills. Her turkey became a local favorite, a Thanksgiving tradition that was passed down through generations of Chicagoans. Today, Sophia's great-grandson, Marco, carries on the family tradition, serving his great-grandmother's tasty, crispy turkey at the Chicago night market. But the tasty, crispy turkey is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of family, tradition, and the power of food to bring people together. It's a reminder that some of the best things in life are those that have been passed down through generations, shared and enjoyed with the people we love. As you take a bite of this delicious turkey, you're not just tasting a recipe, you're tasting history, culture, and the love that went into creating this iconic dish. It's a flavor that tells a story that continues to be written with every bite. Creating the tasty, crispy turkey is no simple feat. It's a labor of love, a carefully orchestrated process that begins hours before the market even opens. Each step, from selecting the bird to the final garnish, is crucial in achieving that perfect balance of flavor and texture. It all starts with the turkey itself. Only fresh, free-range birds will do, each one carefully inspected to ensure its quality. The turkey is then prepped, removing any excess fat and patting it dry with a clean kitchen towel. This ensures the skin crisps up perfectly during roasting. Next comes the brining process, a crucial step that guarantees a juicy and flavorful bird. The turkey is submerged in a bath of water, salt, sugar, and aromatic herbs, left to soak for at least 12 hours. This allows the turkey to absorb moisture, resulting in a remarkably tender and succulent meat. The brine itself is a closely guarded secret, a blend of spices and herbs passed down through generations. Some whisper that it includes hints of garlic, rosemary, and even a touch of citrus. Whatever the exact ingredients, the result is a brine that infuses the turkey with layers of flavor that develop even further during roasting. Once the brining is complete, the turkey is removed, patted dry, and prepared for the rub. This is where the true artistry comes in, a blend of spices that creates the signature flavor of the tasty, crispy turkey. The exact recipe remains a closely guarded secret, but keen observers might catch glimpses of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a hint of cayenne for a touch of heat. The rub isn't just sprinkled on, it's massaged into the skin of the turkey, ensuring every nook and cranny is coated. This allows the spices to penetrate the meat, creating a depth of flavor that permeates every bite. Now comes the moment of truth, roasting the turkey. The oven is preheated to a specific temperature, creating a blast of heat that will transform the bird into a crispy, golden masterpiece. The turkey is placed on a roasting rack, allowing the heat to circulate evenly, ensuring it cooks to perfection. The roasting process is a delicate dance of heat and time. The turkey is roasted for a precise amount of time, carefully monitored to achieve that perfect golden brown skin. Basting the turkey with its own juices throughout the roasting process adds another layer of flavor and ensures the meat stays incredibly moist. Crispy skin, juicy heart. Finally, after hours of anticipation, the tasty crispy turkey emerges from the oven, its skin a glorious golden brown, practically crackling with flavor. The aroma fills the air, a mouth-watering blend of roasted meat, herbs, and spices that draws a crowd in an instant. But the true test is in the tasting. The first bite is an explosion of flavor, the skin crispy and flavorful, giving way to incredibly juicy and tender meat. The spices from the rub have permeated every inch of the turkey, creating a depth of flavor that is both comforting and unforgettable. Marco's legacy. Marco, a man with eyes as warm as the glow of the market lights, stands proudly behind the counter of his stall, Sophia's Kitchen. His presence is a beacon of warmth and tradition in the bustling night market, drawing in customers with the promise of a meal that feels like home. His name, hand-painted on a weathered wooden sign, is a testament to the generations that came before him, each one adding their own dash of magic to the family recipe. This sign is more than just a name. It's a symbol of the love and dedication that has been passed down through the years. He moves with a practiced grace, his hands expertly carving the turkey, each slice a testament to years of tradition. The way he handles the knife with such precision and care speaks volumes about the countless hours he has spent perfecting his craft. As he works, he shares stories of his great-grandmother Sophia, her journey from Italy, and the legacy she built on the foundation of a single perfect recipe. These stories are not just tales of the past. They are the threads that weave the fabric of his family's history, connecting him to his roots. She always said, Marco reminisces, his voice a low rumble against the backdrop of the bustling market. Food tastes better when it's made with love. This simple yet profound philosophy is the cornerstone of everything he does, infusing each dish with a sense of warmth and care. He pauses, a twinkle in his eye, and a pinch of rosemary, of course. This final touch, a secret ingredient passed down through generations, is what makes his dishes truly special, leaving a lasting impression on everyone who tastes them. A family affair. The spirit of family extends beyond the legacy of the recipe. Marco's children, two energetic teenagers with smiles as bright as the market lights, weave through the crowd, taking orders and serving customers with a charm that could only come from growing up in the heart of the market. They've been helping me here since they could see over the counter, Marco says, his chest swelling with pride. It's more than just a business. It's about keeping Sophia's memory alive, teaching them the value of hard work, and sharing our family tradition with the world. And indeed, as you watch them work, you see the love, the laughter, the shared moments that transform a simple meal into a cherished memory. The spirit of giving. But Marco's generosity extends beyond his immediate family. Each year he donates a portion of his Thanksgiving earnings to a local homeless shelter, ensuring that everyone, regardless of circumstance, gets a taste of the holiday spirit. Sophia always believed in giving back, Marco explains, his voice filled with quiet conviction. She said food nourishes the body, but kindness nourishes the soul. And so, year after year, Marco continues her legacy, proving that the true flavor of Thanksgiving lies not just in the food, but in the spirit of generosity and compassion, a symphony of senses. As the night deepens and the market buzzes with activity, you take a bite of the tasty, crispy turkey, and for a moment time seems to stand still. The crispy skin, the juicy meat, the symphony of flavors, it's a culinary masterpiece, a testament to generations of love, tradition, and culinary expertise. But it's more than just the food itself. It's the warmth of the market lights, the laughter of the children, the scent of roasted spices mingling with the crisp autumn air. It's the feeling of community, of shared traditions, of being part of something truly special. A taste of tradition. As the last of the tasty, crispy turkey is savored, you can't help but feel a sense of fulfillment. The turkey, with its perfectly roasted skin and juicy meat, is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of the season's warmth and generosity. As the market lights begin to dim, you're left with a feeling of warmth and contentment. The bustling energy of the market slowly fades, leaving behind a serene atmosphere that invites reflection. The experience transcends a simple meal. It's a journey into the heart of Chicago's vibrant culture. The night market is a melting pot of traditions, where every stall tells a story, and every bite is a new adventure. It's a celebration of family, tradition, and the simple joy of sharing good food with good company. The market becomes a gathering place where people from all walks of life come together, united by their love for food and community. The aroma of the turkey, rich and inviting, fills the air, drawing people in from all corners of the market. The laughter of the crowd, a symphony of joy and camaraderie, echoes through the night, creating an atmosphere of pure happiness. The twinkling lights against the night sky, these are the memories you carry with you long after the last bite. Each light represents a moment of joy, a shared smile, a story told over a meal. The tasty crispy turkey, a dish born from generations of love and culinary expertise, is more than just food. It's a piece of history, a testament to the enduring power of tradition. It represents the very soul of the market itself, a place where the past and present come together in a delicious harmony. It's a reminder that some of life's greatest treasures are found in shared traditions, in the moments spent around a table with loved ones, in the stories passed down through generations, each tale adding a new layer to the rich tapestry of family history. And in the simple act of coming together to celebrate the bounty of life, we find a deeper connection to each other and to the world around us. So if you ever find yourself in Chicago on Thanksgiving Day, take a moment to explore the night market. It's a place where the spirit of the holiday comes alive in every corner. Wander through the enchanting aisles of the night market, where each stall offers a unique taste of tradition and a glimpse into the city's diverse cultural heritage. Experience the magic of the tasty crispy turkey, a dish that embodies the essence of Thanksgiving and the spirit of community. It's a taste of tradition you won't soon forget, a culinary journey that leaves a lasting impression on your heart and soul. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.